Namasarvebhyaha, salutations to all. I am Sriram Ganesh, and on behalf of Aikyam Foundation, Arts for a Cause, I wish a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Welcome to today's program, Vande Janani. Aikyam Foundation has curated this feast of music and dance, Vande Janani, on the occasion of Mother's Day. Aikyam Foundation is a non-profit founded by Srimati Sulakshana Jairam and is based in Denver, Colorado. Aikyam Foundation seeks to share the richness and the depth of the Indian classical arts with wider audience, with a commitment to pass it on to the next generation in the greater Denver area and the Colorado community, and sustaining the cultural heritage of India. The Aikyam Foundation initiatives include the Aikyam Fundraiser for Humanitarian Causes, Abhyasa, Master Workshop Series, Utsav India Dance Festival, and the Aikyam Online Kacheri Series. More details can be found in the Aikyam Foundation Arts for a Cause Facebook page. Today's program will feature two of our eminent classical artists from Colorado. The first part of the program is music presented by Srimati Priya Hariharan, and the second part is dance presented by Srimati Sulakshana Jairam. It is my privilege to introduce the artists for today's event. Srimati Priya Hariharan will be presenting 3 Indian classical Carnatic music songs today. She is a disciple of the violin maestro Padma Bhushan Sri Lalgudi G. Jayaraman. Priya continues to learn famous and rare musical repertoire from her mother, Srimati Lakshmi Narayanan, in Chennai, India. Priya is an accomplished musician with the distinction of being an All India radio artist in both Carnatic violin and vocal music. Priya is the founder-director of Bhairavi School of Music in the greater Denver area. Today, Priya will be accompanied by Sri Venkat Subramanian, disciple of Neiveli Sri Narayanan on the Miridangam, and Sri Krish Hariharan, an eminent musician on the keyboard. Our next artist for today is Srimati Sulakshana Jairam. She will be presenting 3 Bharatanatyam dance pieces. Srimati Sulakshana Jairam has trained in the Pandanallur Bani under the distinguished tutelage of Gurus Srimati Indira Rajan and Sri Srinivasa Pillai. She is an accomplished and nationally accredited A-grade Bharatanatyam artist empaneled with the Indian Council for Cultural Relations. Srimati Sulakshana Jairam is the founder-director of Shivoham School of Dance and the non-profit Aikyam Foundation Arts for a Cause. At this time, please send some clapping hands emoji to show your appreciation for today's artists. Now, I would like to talk briefly about today's special program for Mother's Day. All the songs and dances presented today are in honor of the mother. The first song is Mate Malayadwaja. It's a Daru Varnam in Gamas Ragam and Adi Talam. This song is on Goddess Meenakshi of Madurai, composed by Harikesha Nallur Muttaya Bhagavadar. This song is brilliantly composed and tells the nourishing and the giving qualities of the Divine Mother by referring to her as Data, which means one who grants in Sanskrit. The composer says, "You are the Data, or the provider of skills and expertise, Data of sweet speech, Data of joy, Data of music, O Mother Taye. The next song that Priya will present is Mayamma Yenine Pilachite in Ahiri Ragam, Aditalam. The composer is Shyama Shastri. This composition addresses goddess Meenakshi as the mother of the universe, Akilaloka Janani. The composer's cry to the Divine Mother for protection is very poignant. It also aptly fits the strange state of the world we are in today. Priya will conclude her recital with the song Jai Bhagirath Nandini. This is a bhajan written by Saint Tulasidas on Bhagirathi, which is the source of river Ganga. Many poets have compared the river to the mother. Both give unconditionally. A Sanskrit proverb states, Hastasparshohi Matrunam Ajalasya Jalanjalihi. The touch of a mother's hand is as nourishing as an offer of water to an extremely dehydrated person. Thus, both the mother and the river nourish and provide that which sustains life. After this, we move to the second part of today's program, Bharatanatyam dance recital by Srimati Sulakshana Jairam. The first piece is Akilandeshwari Rakshamam in Dvijavanti Ragam Aditalam. The song extols the goddess of the universe. O Akilandeshwari, O the one that provides for and nourishes by conferring the supreme knowledge, Jnana Prade, and O the one that sustains the culture and tradition, Sampradaya Nipune. Matru Devo Bhava is the Upanishadic verse that says Mother is God. Our Samskriti or tradition has gone a step beyond and does not just look at the mother as God, but looks at God herself as the mother. This piece is followed by Krishna Ni Bhegane Baro in Yamuna Kalyani Ragam Chaputalam. This dance brings out the Vatsalya Bhava, the parental love of the mother, the intimacy and bond between the mother and the child is symbolically expressed very beautifully in this song. Other than Krishna, the only other person mentioned in the entire song is the mother. Taige Bayalli Jagavane Torida. You who revealed the whole universe in your mouth to your mother. Krishna ni Bhegane Baro. O Krishna, please come fast. After this, Sulakshana concludes today's program with Vande Mataram, the ode to one's land seen as the mother, the one that nourishes, provides for, and sustains life. This song offers gratitude for the many abundances that is showered on us. Before we move to Srimati Priya Hariharan's program, here are a few pointers. Once my Facebook live feed ends, please wait for a Facebook notification that Srimati Priya Hariharan is live. Click on the notification or refresh the Facebook page to watch the program. There might be a delay of around a minute or so please be patient. Once the music session has concluded, you will have to wait for the notification that Srimati Sulakshana Jairam is live. Again, click on the notification or refresh the Facebook page to watch the program. Again, expect a small delay of around a minute between programs. Please feel free to like and comment during the program. I conclude the introduction by quoting from Adi Shankara's Kanakadhara Stotram. Matu samasta jagatam mahaniya murtihi bhadrani me dishatu bhargava nandanayaha. The mother's form is the most glorious in all the universe. May that form bestow auspiciousness. Thank you, and I now hand over to Srimati Priya Hariharan. Please enjoy today's program.
Ni da da ni pa ma da da सुलभ हृदय मधुर वचनदाता सरस रुचिरधर स्वरलय गीत सुखद निज भाव रसिक वरदात महिषूरनाथ नारवरि श्री कृष्ण राजेन्द्र नाथाय सदा पुरे महित हरिकेश मनोहरि सदये दादा निदद 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 निपम दद निरि सनि दद नि सद पम मदद निगरि निरि सनि द परि द मदद मगम पप म पदद निद मद नि सनि द निद मदनि मनिद सद पदनि द मगरि सनि द पदद निद द सद निद मगरि सनि द नि सनि निद द पम मादे मलय ध्वज पाल्य सरते श्यामे सकल भुवन सार्वभौमे श्यामे सकल भुवन सार्वभौमे शशिमण्डल मध्यगे श्यामे सकल भुवन सार्वभौमे शशिमण्डल मध्यगे माम पनिदद पप मगम पम निरम सानिद पद श्यामे सकल भुवन सर्वभूमे शशिमण्डल मध्यगे निद निदद पप म पाप निद पम ग पम निद म सानिद पम निद श्यामे सकल भुवन सर्वभूमे शशिमण्डल मध्यगे सा सा सानिद नि सनिद पम ग म पम म स म ग म प सानिद नि सा सा सानिद नि सनिद पम ग म पम म स म ग म प सानिद नि म ग नि सा सा सानिद नि सनिद पम ग म पम म स म ग म प सानिद नि निद नि पद नि म पद नि ग म पद नि स म ग म पद नि स म ग नि स सानिद पद श्यामे सकल भुवन सर्वभौमे शशिमण्डल मध्यगे निम ग म दनि निम ग म दनि स म नि ग म स नि म नि द ग नि ग नि ग द रि नि स द नि प द स म ग म नि द ग म द श्यामे शशिमण्डल मध्यगे श्यामे ra for giving me this beautiful opportunity to join all of you in this wonderful day of celebrating mothers and motherhood everywhere. Thank you, Dr. Venkat Subramaniam and my husband Krish Hariharan and my kids for helping me with all of this beautiful setup. I hope all of you had a chance to thank your mothers who are angels, whether in heaven or on earth. I'll be concluding my performance with the Tulsidas Bhajan in Ragamalika. This was thought to be by Srimati Sushila Acharya in Bombay and tuned by her as well.
Gurubhyo Namaha. Vande Janani. What a special day, what a beautiful occasion for all of us to come together for a celebration through the arts. These are very unreal and unique times that we're all in. I am ever grateful for this gift of dance that I have been taught by my gurus, and my gratitude to my mother who encouraged me every step of the way. After Sri Ram's most eloquent introduction of the pieces, I will not go into details of the compositions. However, the first piece that I will do is Akhilandeshwari Rakshamam in Ragam Vijavanti. In the prelude, when I began to choreograph the piece, through a great deal of introspection, I choreographed a sequence to show how man, in his arrogance, has ravaged this planet Earth through aggression and an insatiable greed. The devotee then prays to the goddess Mother Akhilandeshwari and says, Akhilandeshwari Rakshama.
जनूते शारदे लंबादि संभविते जनार्दन नूते द्विजावन्ति राजनूते लंबादि संभविते जनार्दन नूते द्विजावन्ति राजनूते जननी मदन झरझरवाद्यनायत मुदिते ज्ञानपदे जननी मदन झरझरवाद्यनायत मुदिते ज्ञानपदे अखिलांडेश्वरी संप्रदाय निपुणेशी अखिलांडेश्वरी
I will now continue with the quintessential piece that we think of when we think of Vatsalyam, Krishnani Begani Baru. I would like to mention here that the Akhilandeshwari track that I have been blessed and honored to have attempted was none other than by Srimati Vidushi Bombay Jayashree. I do not, of course, own the copyrights to this music. The track that will follow are by Vidushi's Srimati Ranjani and Gayatri.
वैजयन्ति ನೀಲದ ಮಾಲಿ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿರುಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ನೀಲದ ಬಾವುಲಿ ನಾಟ್ಯವಾಡುತ್ತ ಬಾರೋ ನಾಟ್ಯವಾಡುತ್ತ ಬಾರೋ 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 ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರೋ
While the first piece showed Mother Goddess in all her splendor as the one that we beseech for protection, Sri Akhilandeshwari. This piece was the other facet of Mother, as the nourisher, as the one who only knows love. I will conclude this evening's presentation with a very short version of Vande Mataram, obeisance and salutations to the motherland. Vande Mataram in Desh. Vande Janani, Vande Mataram, Vande Devi. I thank each one of you who's joined us this evening for this beautiful tribute to motherhood, to mother, through dance and music. I'd like to take this opportunity to first thank Srimati Priya Hariharan, Sri Venkat, and Sri Krish Hariharan, who very graciously accepted this proposal to perform and started the event to such a magnificent start. Thank you. My deepest thanks to Sri Sriram, who, as a lot of us here in Denver know, as a person who is never the first to say no, he brings a rare sense of eloquence and integrity to the job he takes on. I couldn't have asked for a more erudite and a gracious start to this event today. My thanks also to Pramita Nair, to Reshma Ranjan, to my husband Sri Badri Ramasubramanian, and a host of others who have been instrumental in helping me put this together. Last but not the least at all, each one of you out there today who's made the time to join us, do leave your comments for us as a feedback on what we can present to you. This again was a token of my love and my gratitude to Janani, to Mother, and to my mother, Srimati Shanta Jairam, who is watching us this evening. Thank you. Thank you all.